Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find about this integration. So we can put number 4 go outside in here. Now they want to find this integration. We know that we have this one and this one. So the integration from number 3 to 8 f of s ds that is equals to the integration from number 3 to 5 f of s ds. Then from the integration from number 5 to number 8 f of s ds. So this one, that's about this one in here. And this one, that's about this one in here. So we have number 5. We want to find this one. So we just put number 5 go to the left. And then we have 10 minus 5 equals to number 5. And this value in here equals to this one. So we put the value of number 5 on here. Number 4 multiplied by number 5, you got about 20. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.